Do you want to make your TikTok video public while uploading it? You can easily adjust your privacy settings right on the posting screen so your video is visible to everyone as soon as it goes live. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To make a TikTok video public while uploading, first, open the TikTok app on your mobile device. Once you are on TikTok, log into your account if you have not already. Now, tap the plus icon at the bottom of the screen to create a new post. From here, record a new video or tap Upload to select a clip from your device gallery. Once selected, tap Next to move through the editing screen until you reach the final post screen. On the post screen, locate and tap Who can view this video. From the Privacy Options menu, select Everyone to ensure your video is public. After setting it to everyone, tap the back arrow, add your caption, tags, and cover image. Finally, tap Post at the bottom to publish your public video to TikTok.